Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to link Google Analytics to Google Search Console, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have active Google Analytics and Google Search Console accounts. You'll need admin access to the Analytics property and ownership of the website in Search Console. Step 2. Log in to Google Analytics. Go to analytics.google.com and sign in with the Google account that manages your website property. Step 3. Go to Admin Settings. In Google Analytics, click the Admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. Under the Property column, select Property Settings. Step 4. Access Search Console linking. Scroll down to Search Console Settings and click Adjust Search Console or Add to allow you to link a verified Search Console property. Step 5. Select your website. A list of your verified Search Console properties will appear. Choose the one that corresponds to your Google Analytics property, then click Save. Step 6. Enable data sharing. Confirm that Google Analytics can access Search Console data, including search queries, impressions, and clicks. This allows reporting directly in Analytics. Step 7. Verify the connection. Go to your Google Analytics account, navigate to Acquisition, followed by Search Console, and check that data from your Search Console property is visible. This ensures the integration is working correctly. Your Google Analytics account is now successfully linked to Google Search Console, enabling you to view search performance insights directly in Analytics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more SEO and digital marketing tutorials.